Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Karim, and today we'll be talking about reading a little bit of the Quran each day. The Holy Quran, it is a living miracle. It is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's gift to humanity. This Quran, this thing that we revere so much, it is not a book. People say it's like, oh, this book, they're like Harry Potter, H.G. Wells, the Quran. No, it's not a book. I'll tell you guys now, it is a living proof. It is a living proof of the greatness and the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This Quran is a gift to humanity. It is a gift to the whole of mankind. Not just mankind, but I believe in my heart this is purely the knowledge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but I believe it is a gift to the entire of the universe. The Quran, the last book, the last revelation from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is a living miracle. It will stand up for you on the day of recompense. Read the Quran. Read at least a little bit each day. I'm urging each and every one of you, read a bit of this living miracle. Read a little bit, so that way the Quran will stand up for you on the day of recompense. Say, Ya Allah, this was a good Muslim. There's a good Muslim, he read me every day. Read a bit of Quran, remember your Rabbul Alameen, and worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Feel free to put any comments in the section below if you have any comments on what you'd like me to cover or any advice you need me to give you. My name's Abdul Karim. This is Come to Goodness. Remember your Maker. Remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and come to goodness.